The Minecraft 1.20 snapshot is finally here, and we can actually test the new features in Minecraft 1.20. And since we can actually test these features, I want to give you some tips and tricks on how things work in the new update and some things you can actually do with these new features. Number one, I'm going to show you how we can craft the new bamboo blocks as you see right here. The regular bamboo, the bamboo mosaic, so then you can use this to craft all these other items. Now the bamboo blocks, they're basically crafted like all the other regular wood, so you just place them in the crafting table like this, and you'll get bamboo planks. You can use these and you can craft stairs, craft slabs, use sticks and this to craft your fences, your fence gates, your doors, your trap doors, your boats. You can use these bamboo planks to craft all those. But if you want the bamboo mosaic, it's actually pretty simple. All you need to do is just get bamboo slabs and place them like this, and you got bamboo mosaic. And you get enough of this, you can actually craft the slabs and the stairs. Number two, bundles are actually back in the game, and I'm going to show you how bundles work and how you can even craft the bundles. So to craft a bundle, you actually need rabbit hides, and you need to place them in an order like this, and 2-string, and you got a bundle. Now with this bundle, let's say you have all these miscellaneous items in your inventory, and you're trying to get them out of your inventory so you have more space to put more items. All you need to do is you need to pick it up and right click over these items, and they'll all go inside the bundle. And the bundles can hold up to 64 total items. So all these things, they account for 45 total items. One thing I did notice is when you do put all these together, it shows 45 out of 64, but there's only 30 total items in here. So I don't know what's up with that. They'll probably fix that when the full release comes around. Number three, I'm going to show you where you can find camels. And camels can only spawn in desert villages. There's actually one over here, as you see. There's a camel walking around. Number four, I'm going to show you how you can ride camels. So all you need is a saddle. Put the saddle on the camel. And, well, yeah. Now you can just hop on and you walk around with them. You don't need no specials. Whatever on a stick. Nothing. You don't even need to tame him. You can just walk around with him. And now he's your best friend. Number five, chiseled bookshelves have actually been added to the game. And what they are basically are fancier bookshelves that actually function as bookshelves. So you can basically go up to them, you can place your books inside them, and they'll be stored there. Now there is no way where you can actually like tell which book is which inside the shelf. You kind of just need to remember. Or you can put signs over it saying which shelf is for what. Probably still be more efficient just have chests full of books, because I feel like this is probably a lot of like, if you have enough of these can probably cause a lot of lag. I don't know if these are actually like considered like entities, but they probably are, because chests are entities because they hold items inside them. One thing you can do with the bookshelves is you can actually make hidden doors inside the bookshelf wall. I don't know what you'd call this, okay? But the new chiseled bookshelves, they are not movable with pistons, just like chests and furnaces, okay? But if you do make hidden doors, you can use the old regular bookshelves, and they actually blend in really well. So then once you take out your books, the door can open. Now this is like really bad redstone, don't judge me, okay? At least I know how to build it, okay? Yeah, there you go. In 1.20, Mojang has also introduced hanging signs. So now they can hang off fence posts just like this. They can hang off the side of walls like this. And this is a regular sign. As you can see, there's a lot of characters. Well, this only has 8 characters, but the text is also bigger so you can see it way easier. Also, forgot to mention, they can also hang off the bottom of blocks too. Now I'm going to show you how you can craft these new signs. To craft these new signs, you need stripped logs, and you can take them, put them in a grid like this, like the old signs, but then place 2 chains like this, and you got hanging signs. Now this works for all the other stripped logs too. One thing I did notice though while crafting these signs is the fact that birch does not work. You can place them in there and birch will not work. I don't know why. It should work the exact same. I don't know. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Maybe Mojang is just messed up and it's a bug. I don't know. Probably get fixed in the new update, or you can tell me below what's wrong. Anyways, that is actually all the topics for this video. There actually has been that much added into 1.20. Another thing that did actually get added that I didn't go over because it's very self-explanatory is the inventory is now organized. But yeah, that's the only other thing. Anyways, that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it helped you. And I will see you in the next whatever video I make.